Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to upload files in Basecamp step by step. Basecamp makes it easy to store and share documents, images, videos, spreadsheets, and other project files so your entire team can access them from one organized location. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to upload your files. Once you're inside the project, click the Docs and Files tool to access the file storage area. Next, click the Upload Files, Add Files, or New button, depending on your Basecamp version. A file browser will open, allowing you to locate the documents or folders you want to upload from your computer. Now, select one or multiple files, then click Open to begin the upload. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Docs and Files section if your browser supports drag and drop uploads. Wait for the upload progress to finish before leaving the page. Once the files are uploaded, you can rename them, organize them into folders if available, and share them with your team. Team members can open, download, preview, comment on, or reference the files while working on the project. Before finishing, confirm that the uploaded files appear in the project and are accessible to the appropriate team members. Keeping your project documents organized makes collaboration much easier and helps everyone find important files quickly. And that's it. You now know how to upload files in Basecamp and share project documents with your team in one central workspace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next